Late night thoughts. Not sleeping well lately. Got a lot on my mind. Got a lot of contracts coming in. A lot of job offers to go through. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I'm coming or going today right now. But I was thinking, we didn't cook Thanksgiving today. We waited until Friday. We're doing it today. Well, yesterday now, because I think technically it is Friday already. But I was thinking while I was standing out here, a person like me, I don't even know really truly why I'm still alive, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I tell y'all all the time how sick I was. But there's things that y'all don't know. Like 8 years old, I was bitten by a rattlesnake. No joke. Almost killed me. But I didn't die. Then at 18, I was in a very bad car wreck. But I didn't die. I've had surgery after surgery after surgery, and 2 of those surgeries I was gone and then back. I've been blind, completely blind, not being able to see shit. I'm telling y'all, nothing. And yet, with everything else that I've been through, I still have to believe in me and love me and keep pushing, because the fact is that I don't believe for 1 second that me being that close to death that many times is by... I believe there's a bigger purpose behind it. Alan Jackson sings a song, The Older I Get. And it's kind of funny because I kind of feel like that's my life, because I tell people a lot. I'm sorry about the light glare, but I'm just talking.